So we have opened Microsoft Excel file. This is the responses output for the same survey, and we are looking at the output file where we have chosen full answers and full question text. So full answers are displayed like here we see an answer option 5, a great deal. 3 and 4, they were displayed just numeric in numeric format, but the lower value 1 is accompanied by not at all. So we see this in the output file also. So in order to analyze this file or this database further, we would need to, of course, replace 1 and 5 with numeric representation, leaving only 1 and 5. So we could do this manually or use find and replace function within Excel if we have a lot of values. And for the question, full text questions, we can see when we click at the header of the column that we have the code of the question, G02, Q04, SQ003, and the full question. Assess how much the following statements apply to you. You actively look for additional ways how AI could be utilized in your work. So this we are displaying the full question, allows us as a researcher also to understand what these answers, what these values are actually about. So instead, when we would output codes, the codes would look like what we see in this Excel file. This is the same database, but instead of displaying the full question, we only have the question code, G02, Q04, SQ002. And instead of displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as answer options, we have the answer codes like A0, O2, and other similar values. Where there was a text input, we see the text input as it was entered. But for drop-down and radio array answer options, we see the code, which of course we might need to check upon what does it mean, A003.